One thing I've always found hard to do as an introvert was to make calls. Even the most simplest calls will suddenly seem like I'm trying to cross the highest mountains. So tips that have helped me over the years are: 1. I take a deep breath. 2. I make a note of everything I want to say. I make sure I write it down. I make sure I note even the pause sometimes because I cannot. Then 3. I set a deadline. Yes, I have to set a deadline because if I don't set a deadline, I might find myself checking out, or I might find myself not actually going through with it. Then 4. I set consequences. Yes, I have to set consequences for myself because if I don't, still the same chicken out situation happening over here, I might not do it. So I set consequences. It can be even the simplest of things. It can be denying yourself of treats, or denying yourself of your favorite things to do, or it can even be denying yourself of fangirling. Yeah, that's actually consequences for me. Then 5. I set small rewards. It can be anything from having my favorite treats to doing the things I love, or it can even be taking time off from people. Heck, that's a reward for me. Then I rehearse like crazy. Yes, I have to rehearse because if I don't, I might stumble into an awkward moment. And for me as an introvert, nothing is worse than awkward moments. Oh my god. Then I hype myself to the heavens. Yeah, I have to hype myself. I have to give myself the oomph needed to actually go through with making the call. Then I take a deep breath and yell at myself, pick up the damn phone and make the call. Yeah, I have to actually yell at myself. Man, life as an introvert is tough. Fun, but tough. Well, not fun for everyone, but fun for me. Anyway, these are the tips that have come to help me over the years, so I hope it helps someone out there. Peace.